Hello students, I'm Neelam Khanna. You are watching my YouTube channel on Trigonometry class 10th. We are doing NCERT 8.2. Question number 3 was left. So this is NCERT book class 10th and this is 8.2 question number 3rd. Tan A plus B equal to root 3, tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. Condition is given. Find A and B. So let's see students. Now you have to understand that what is the value of root 3. You know that this is tangent 60 degree. I earlier told you everything, table and each and everything. And similarly tangent A minus B equal to 1 by root 3 is given and 1 by root 3 equal to tan 30 degree. So now tan to tan will cut and we are left with two equations, A plus B equal to 60 degree and A minus B equals 30 degree. So we will use the linear equation chapter and we will find out the value of A and B from these terms, and A will be 45 degree, B will be 15 degree. So this is our answer. Got it? So now it's our exercise 8.2 is over, and now come to the exercise 8.3. First, I will let you know about the few rules, few formulas. This is exercise 8.3 and the identities we will use in this is, number 1, note down, sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, and vice versa is also there, cos 90 minus theta equal to sine theta, right? Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta and cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Now sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta and cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. So these identities we will use. So we will come to the question number 1 of exercise 8.3, strictly NCERT. We are doing trigonometry. Sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. Try to solve, put the value of the larger angle. So sine 18 as it is, cos 72 I will write sine 90 minus theta, because sine 90 minus theta equals cos theta. This is already cos theta is given. So I will put sine 90 minus theta. So whatever the angle will be here, that same angle we will put here. So what is actually 90 minus 72? This is 18. So sine 18 as it is, and we will use sine 18. This to this cut, 1 will be your answer. So come to the next question. Similarly, tan 26 upon cot 64. Again we will change 64 and by keeping the same reference we will solve this question, right? Now come to the question number 3rd. Cos 48 minus sin 42. So again we will change the larger angle. This cos theta means sin 90 minus theta. This and this will come to the same. So 90 minus 48 will be 42. So sin 42 minus sin 42. So they both will cut and we will get 0 as our answer. So now come to the question number 2. I am doing the second part. Cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 38 sin 52. Again concentrate on the larger angle. Smaller angle will remain as it is, students. Cos 38 cos 38. This cos theta will be sin 90 minus theta. For 52 will be same. Now sin 38 as it is and sin 52 I will use cos 90 minus 52. Now cos 38 as it is, sin 90 minus 52 will be sin 38 as it is, and this will be again cos 38. So this is sin 38 cos 38, this is again sin 38 cos 38. So they will cut and we will again get the answer 0. Now come to the next question, that is the first part. Question number 2, first part. Tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67. So first of all, I will bring together 48 and 42 because the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Again 23 plus 67. Again the sum is 90 degree. So we will club together them. So this is tan 48 and tan 42. and this is tan 23 and tan 67. So now students, we will again change the larger angle. Tan theta will be equal to cot 90 minus theta. So this will be, and this tan 42 as it is, this as it is, because this is a smaller angle. Now tan 67, again I will convert into the cot 90 minus 67. So this will become cot 23 and this will become cot 42. So cot 42, tan 42, tan 23, cot 23. So we know that cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, right? So I will convert this cot as 1 by tan 42. So this and this will cancel. Again I will change this cot 23 as 1 by tan 23. This and this again is cancelled. So this is 1 equal to 1. So this is very important question for the UTs. So try to do this question with your own hand. This is very important question. So come to the question number next, that is question number 3rd. So in the book, page number 189, 10th class, this is if tan 2a equals cot a minus 18, find the value of a, condition is given. So now tan 2a equals cot this. So students, again I am telling that tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta hota hai. Then I will convert this tan 2a as cot 90 minus 2a, and this right hand side will remain as it is, copy paste, right? So now cot to cot I will cancel. So 90 minus 2a like terms I will bring together. So a will come to here, minus 2a, minus a, and minus 18, then minus 90. So this is minus 3a equals minus 108. A will be equal to 36 degree. This is very simple question. So now the question number 4. See in the question in the book, page 189 NCERT book. If tan a equal cot b, prove that a plus b equals 90. See in the sheet. So I will again use the identity tan theta equals cot 90 minus theta. So I am again converting this, tan theta equals cot 90 minus a equals cot b, as it is, copy paste. So cot to cot will cancel. So 90 minus a equals b, minus a we will bring to the right hand side. So a plus b equals to 90. This what we want, that is hence proved. It's quite simple question, very important for the UT. And 500% for the boards, question number 6, that is very important. And question number 5 is your homework, students. So question number 6, this is if A, B, C are the interior angles of the triangle ABC, then show that sine B plus C by 2 equals cos A by 2. Quite simple question. Now we know that in a triangle, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. So I am writing here A plus B plus C equals 180 degree angle sum property ASP. So keep B plus C to the left hand side and A will go to the right hand side. So now just replace the value of B plus C from here. This is sine B plus C by 2 equals cos A by 2 we have to prove. Now I am just replacing the value of B plus C, that is 180 minus A. Now this 2 I will separate this 180 by 2 minus A by 2. So now it has become, student, sine 90 minus theta. So we know that sine 90 minus theta equals cos theta. So here the theta is A by 2. So it will become cos A by 2. And that in the right hand side, that is also cos A by 2. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. This is again very important question. So the last question of the 8.3, that is question number 7, express sine 67 plus cos 75 in terms of the trigonometrical ratios between 0 to 45 degrees. Students, we have to convert these angles which are more than 45 degree. We have to bring them between 0 to 45 degrees. So what we will do? Just we will convert, we will apply the formula sine theta equals cos 90 minus theta, right? and cos theta equals 90 sine 90 minus theta. So I will apply the formula in both the numbers, both the quantities. So 90 minus 67 will be 23 and 90 minus 75 will be 15. So let's see that the 23 and 15 both angles are between 0 and 45. So thus this completes our exercise 8.3, and in the next video we will cover most of the questions of 8.4. Thank you. Keep watching and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.